Hello folks. Okay, the next item I have here is a DVD+R recordable media. There's also DVD minus, DVD rewritable, but these are DVD+R, which is a write once recordable media. And they're DVD5, which means it's only one layer and it will store 4.7 gigabyte worth of information. Now I don't happen to have the label for this, what I did with it, but anyway, these are made by Memorex, and one side is the cover where the label is, and the other side is the back side. Okay, so that's what these are. One side is the back side. So, and they come in, this happens to be a 50 pack, and they come in this little spindle thing, you know, and it's a 50 pack. And like I said, they're made by Memorex. Memorex has been around for a long time, and these are DVD+R recordable media. Now with these, they're a storage media. You can record data on them. You can record, documents. You can record audio files. You can record video files. Record pictures on here. By record, I mean you could burn pictures on them or transfer them onto here. Now, you got 4.7 gigabyte of space on here to do all that with. So you have a lot more room than a CD, because I think a CD is like 700 or 800 megabytes. And the next step up is DVD, which is like 4.7, and then if you want to go beyond that, you go to a Blu-ray. But like I said, this is the one in the middle. This is a DVD+R recordable media. And what I use these for is to record video content. Like say a customer will give me some video to edit, because I shoot a lot of video, I edit a lot of video in my production studio. So say a client will give me some footage to edit. So I will put that footage into my edit bay, into my computer, edit it, and then I'll burn it to my DVD here. Now DVD, the way you do DVD video files on a DVD is you have to author the video files onto the DVD, or else they will not play on your DVD player. So, and that means they have to be authored, because there's a certain standard specification that needs to be written onto the DVD in order for it to play back your video files on a DVD player. You just can't drag video files onto your blank DVD and expect them to play back on your DVD player, because they will not play back. Now they'll play back on a computer because the computer reads them as data, but a DVD player reads them as DVD video files. So when you write DVD video file to a disc, you have to author the DVD video file onto the disc, and that's why they call DVD video. So a DVD video are files that are specifically written onto your blank DVD to play back on a portable or desktop DVD player. Like I said, you could use it for data also, which means you can also store video files in there as data, not according to the DVD video specs, which means they won't play back on your DVD player, but if you put them in your computer, they will play back on your computer, because your computer reads them as data and then plays them back on your software DVD player on your computer, because they treat it as data. But when you put video on here and intend to play it back on a desktop DVD player, like in your home stereo or something like that, they have to be authored and they have to be written back as DVD-video files, and that requires authoring those files to the disk. So that's what I use these disks for, to write back DVD video files. But like I said, you can also use them on your computer to store data. I use them for that as well. I store old pictures, I store old documents, I store even video files, I store audio files. You can store all kinds of content on these DVDs. But what they're mostly used for is to write DVD video on them, and in which case, like I said, you have to get a program that you can use on your computer to author them back on your DVD player. So they do also make DVD recorders, so you can use these blank DVD discs on recorders too, in which case when you record video on these standalone DVD video recorders, they will automatically write them to DVD video files. So after you burn them or record them on that portable desktop video recorder, you can play them back on any video player. So again, these can also be used for standalone desktop DVD recorders, which will record your video in the regular DVD-video format, so you can play them back on any desktop video player. And by the way, you can also play back the DVD-video formatted authored discs. You can play them back on your computers as well. So it's not limited only to desktop players or your home theater players. You can play back authored DVD media on your computer as well. So anyway, that's the rundown on these DVD+R blank media by Memorex. And you can get these in most electronic stores, or you can get them online as well. Thank you very much. See you later.